you. Look at you. Oh my God. Odira, come give me a hug.
Welcome, my princess.
Thank you. Here's the beautiful.
Welcome, my princess.
You come. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, look at you. Ujuma. Oh! Oh my God! Mommy! Oh my God! Oh, Mommy! Oh, Mommy!
How are you?
I'm fine, Mom. I miss you. Mommy, you look good.
Thank you. Hey, Daddy's fine.
Oh my God.
Hey, welcome back home, my dear.
Thank you, Mommy.
Hey,
You. Oh God.
my dear,
So good to be back.
you have to go in there, take your bath, and change into this.
Mommy, I'm tired, Mom. What's going on here?
Come on, go in and take your bath. Then you come and change into this, okay? There's the move. Just take care of her. I'll be back.
Okay, thank you. I'll do it. So tired. I'm coming.
Just like the morning rose, a shining light, my beauty queen. She's the apple of my eyes. She's the one I'm waiting for.
Behold my paragon of beauty. Oh, the dawn of a new day. Oh, priceless jewel. My princess. Oh, you are most welcome, my dear. So cool. Do you remember them? I think you do. Oh, come on! Oh. Now, on an official note, I, Igwe Edward Ude Ubaka, I am the Odoko III of Odakbu, and my family welcome you all to this get-together to honor my precious daughter, who has successfully completed her NYSC year. And in the same vein, I make bold to announce to all of you here that my precious princess is now a certified pharmacist. Congratulations, my dear. Congratulations.
Oh my God. I'm so overwhelmed. I don't know what to say. The whole thing caught me off guard. But firstly, I must say a very big thank you to God Almighty, who made it possible for each and every one of us to be here today. For without Him, there will be no me, and there will be no you. And to the most important man in my life, he is two persons in one. The Igwe, my father, and my father, the Igwe. Well, not forgetting my lovely mother, Lolo Ujifi. And my darling younger brother, Prince Stefan, though he's not here. And to you all who graced and honored this occasion, I say a very big thank you. And may the blessings of the Almighty God rest upon you all.
Was great. 3, 2, 1. Sonny boy.
Ononuju has been a source of joy to us since God gave her to us.
She's a blessing.
And we too, we are blessed for having her. I mean, what more can any parent want? To have a daughter who has achieved so much so early in life? I mean, it's absolutely wonderful.
We give God Almighty all the thanks.
Yes, indeed.
Talking about achievements, Uju is such a wonderful girl and should remain like that.
I don't get you.
It borders on what I have been advocating.
Lol, you're talking about marriage as if our daughter is going to die tomorrow.
God forbid. Igwe, apart from the fact that we started having children late, I would also like to have my grandchildren as early as possible.
No.
She doesn't need the temptation and distraction that comes with spinsterhood. she needs to be focused so as to maintain her peace. And you and I know that living with her husband is the surest way to it. Adan, just be careful, okay?
Okay, mommy.
My princess.
Morning, Daddy.
Good morning. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Bless you.
Adam. Adam, mommy. How are you, my love?
Fine, Ma. Oh, well. Mom, Dad.
Yes.
Look what I found.
What is it?
What is it?
What?
Look at this.
Letter of appointment. Ah. Vance Pharmaceutical. How did you get this?
Well, I found this inside the parcel given to me by Mr. Sonny Vincent Odilibe.
Oh, that's incredible. Vincent Odilibe. Oh, a good friend he has been.
You mean they gave you a duplex and an official car?
Yes, Mommy.
Oh, that's kind of
Indeed.
Congratulations, my love.
Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
Congrats.
Daddy.
Hey, Adam, mommy.
What do you want me to? I've told you I don't have this money. I don't have the money. What do you want me to go and steal?
Go and steal. You will find the money.
I don't have the. See, I'm just coming out for work. I don't have this money.
So wait till I will go do now. Find the money now. Go to 20,000 naira. Finish.
What 920?
And you will go.
Calm down, calm down.
Because I did not have it.
I did not say I will not give you. I didn't say I won't give you. I will give you the money. Just calm down.
So when you go give me next year after I die? I want the money now. I need them now. See me here.
You will not.
I don't do anything. Give me the money.
Take the car. Go
I don't want the car. I want 20,000 naira.
Then calm down now. I'll give you the.
Where you go? You're not going anywhere. Come and carry your child.
Look.
Carry your child. Carry your child and go now.
Can you?
Carry your child and go.
Okay, fine. You said I should steal the money, right? Fine, let me go.
As you're going to steal, carry your child.
Okay, fine. Just calm down. Calm down.
Sorry. Try me. Oh, allow me. Don't look for my trouble. Don't look
I'm
for
not
my
looking
trouble.
for your
Just give me
trouble.
this money.
What kind of nonsense is this? We're outside.
Oh, yeah, carry your child. Carry your child. I know your child.
Stay with her.
Carry it if you don't have money. Carry it.
I don't have money.
Go on. Carry your child. Carry your child and be good. I'm not going to. Carry your child. Go on, come on. Okay. Minimum for now. Rather. Don't worry. No problem. I left a baby here for you. Carry on.
Ayo, don't do it. Ayo, come. Ayo. Ayo. Mama.
Go on, carry your pikin. Go. Go. Carry yourself, they go. Just go. Ìyá ọmọ iye ọmọ mélòó tó bí? I know how many children wọ́n àbọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀. Ó tún ariwo oúnjẹ. Ẹ̀rọ owó lẹ́ẹ̀ bímọ kiri. Mo ṣìra mi. Mr. Do good.
it's okay. Don't cry. Huh? Sorry. It's okay. Sorry.
I'm for sure. I want to try to enter that party. They don't allow me. They bounce me.
Ayo. For waiting now.
Yes, I know represent.
But dress fine, go the party.
But where was the dress now? Everyone do Brazilian. Everybody do Brazilian. I didn't forget them. Look, everybody all fine.
You two do Brazilian hair. Hey! Why you can't get money to do Brazilian hair?
No, what's the money? Listen, I can't see one leg baggage. She can't carry herself. You won't shoot her. Don't shoot her. You should talk us.
Not happening, babe.
This is what happening there. We represent. Big best.
See your God, you come on.
Baby, my God. I beg. If you marry, I don't care. Oh, you want to son? If you marry taxi driver, I don't care. I don't care.
Ayo, please hear me out. Ayo, please hear me out. I'm not here to fight.
You don't know, man. Listen to him now.
Ayo, please. See,
I know they fight with you, right? No problem. Carry your picking they go. Should be treasure that your picking. Carry on the go, eh? Leave me now. No worry, no fight. No Allah, no fight now.
Okay. All right. I brought the money.
Okay. Money. I said we'll bring your bottle later. Thank you.
Ayo.
We'll see you tomorrow.
My God. Yes. Please surprise the people. What happened? I mean, I never knew you could cook, you know.
What's there? Is it not just to wash my clothes? Take care of myself? What else? What's the big deal?
For one whole year. Can you imagine? You girls couldn't have come with me to the NYSC orientation. And you know that.
That's what you said.
And that's how it is. Because I was able to cope for the whole 3 weeks. I decided to continue, and here I am, a survivor. Am I not sure?
Of course, you're my princess. Survivor.
You always be stubborn.
Princess, guess what?
What is it?
Girls.
What happened?
Oh my God, you're beautiful.
I will kill you. Of course you are. Of course. Oh, come on. Oh, please. So, the garden looks lovely.
Yeah, I guess the new gardener is really doing his work here.
Of course. Yeah, as you can see, the whole place is clean.
And you girls have been enjoying yourselves.
Not really.
I trust you. Your eyes they back. Not really. I trust you. Okay.
We missed you, Shaw.
You missed me?
Yes.
I missed you both too.
How was today? Fine. Okay. I did not see you the other day. We were supposed to come, so. Touch it. Thank you. Okay, thanks. Okay, bye-bye. Easy! Princess Ononuju! Hey!
Hello, Kiruka. How are you?
I'm fine. You abandoned me now. You abandoned me.
How can I abandon you, eh? The truth of the matter is that when we passed out, everybody was rushing to get home. I hurriedly left because my parents wanted to see me. And because of it, I didn't get the chance to speak with you. You know you're the best friend I had during our service here. There's no way I can abandon you. You're my sugar cane, you're my ribosome. You know?
Princess, you and your sugar-coated talk. Eh? Ha. Oh.
Now I take that as a compliment. So, tell me, what's my girl up to?
My dear, nothing, no. My mom, she's been ill, so I gain automatic employment. Practicing what I studied now, marketing. You know what I mean? Princess!
You're simply a naughty girl with a long wire. I tell you that.
Oh my God, it's just good to hear from you. So what has been happening to you now? What's the 411? Tell me.
Nada. Extend my greetings to your mom and tell her to get well soon. Okay.
My princess, your food is ready.
Okay. Thank you.
Of course I know. Oh, I'm proud of you, son. Congratulations. Honey, your son has completed his master degree program.
Wow! Oh my God! Max! Ah, you have made us so proud once again. Thank you and congratulations. When are you coming into the country? I can't wait to see you. I've missed you. That's right. Your wife is around. She's now a pharmacist. Yeah. Princess Ononuju is now a full-fledged woman. 20? She's 21. Yes, I do, and I'll give it to you. Take care of yourself, huh? Bye.
Max has made us proud again, you know.
Let's go. Whoa.
Oh, Max.
Honorable. Good morning, sir. I did not get a lot from bank for your last week's account.
Honorable, I'm sorry I didn't tell you. I was attacked by area boys. I'm telling you, they almost killed me. They took your money, the 20,000, even 5,000, little money I had, everything together. They almost killed me, Honorable. I wanted to tell you, but I don't know.
You know I don't listen to excuses. I bought this car alongside others, basically for business. And you know what that means. I await an alert for 40,000 naira at the end of this week.
Good day. Sir, So how do you expect me to get that kind of money? And I'm telling you, I was attacked by area. Please. It's true that both of us made this mistake of having treasure out of wedlock. But it's over 3 years now. It's high time you pick the pieces of your life. You can't continue living this carefree, reckless life. You can't.
What's in the world can't talk now? Eh? Why you just want to spoil this beautiful mood?
Ayo, please. For once, can you talk to me in plain, simple, clean English, please?
Look, I know the kind of life I was living before you got me pregnant. But look at me now. All my friends have left me and they've all gone to the university. Where am I supposed to start from? Even you're done with your university and you're done with your youth service. I know that this taxi thing is just for a little while. Things will soon pick up for you. But where am I supposed to start from? My father, dead. My mother, a petty trader, spends all her earnings on shepe and ukukuru. My elder brother ran away from the house and left us to fend on our own. Tell me, where do I start to pick the pieces from? What do I do? Where do I start from? The only person I have is you, and even you're still struggling. I know this for this kind of talk today. I know that you're doing this. I'm not thinking like this.
You've done really well for yourself, I must say. Congratulations. Well, I have job offers from 3 different companies, and I'm yet to decide which one to take up.
Baby, sorry, I had to fix something else.
You can say that again. Well, I hope you still have some. Okay, right. Take care of yourself and let me pass the phone to your mother. Bye.
And then, bye. All right. Hello. I can feel it. You're so excited. I can't wait to my dear. Please don't come back. Okay. Take care of yourself. Bye. My beautiful wife. Oh. You're looking so sweet as usual.
Good Majesty.
How are you?
Good.
How are you?
I'm good.
How are your parents?
Welcome.
They're good. Okay. Please sit down.
Thank you.
How are you?
You see, my dear, I would like you to acquire a working experience with somebody I know. And that way you will not be subjected to intimidation or oppression. Chief Ngene is my childhood friend. And I will feel comfortable you working with him. What do you think?
No, I'm okay with that, Father.
Good. Well, in that case, we will commence our preparation for your return to Enugu. And, oh, by the way, I will get you an apartment. I don't want you in company apartment.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bless you.
All right. Good night, Daddy.
My princess.
I love you, Daddy.
Oh,
I love you so much.
Oh, I love you so much. Bless you. Bless you.
Good night. Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my princess. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. I've discussed your job proposal with my father, as I told you, and he gave his approval.
Oh, that's a good one. So, when do you intend to resume?
Any moment from now, sir.
Oh, we're ever ready for you, okay?
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. The pleasure is ours.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Ify, you have to eat. You won't kill yourself over this boy. Please, you have to eat. Please, eat, even if it's 1 spoon. For you to take your drugs. You need food in your stomach. Ify, let me help you. Come on, Belito. You don't have to kill yourself over this boy. What is it? Please, come on, Belito, and eat, please. A boy that you don't know, you want to kill yourself over him. Please, eat. Please.
Ify, I'm awfully sorry. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I had an emergency call that took me out of town. Please.
My part is only. Everybody was yelling for you not to show up. You called. No pains. Why would you do this to me? Why?
I know I wronged you beyond pardon. Please forgive me.
Sonny, you should have called. You should have called to tell her that you were traveling. A phone call. That's all.
Stella, the network was bad. The network was... It was very bad. I couldn't even make any call.
And text messages?
If you don't cast me away like this, I'll make it up to you. Okay? in my drugs?
She refused to eat. That's my major problem. She refused to eat. She can't take drugs with an empty stomach. Now he's here! So we're eating now. Okay. Eat. Look at you.
You look like a baby.
Now you're eating the food, Abby. The food you refuse to eat.
Oh my God, there you are.
Get away from me.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, I would have paid you a visit a long time ago. But I traveled, I wasn't in town. I traveled to Switzerland. As a matter of fact, I came back just yesterday. I'm sorry,
Eric!
Oh, Stella, I'm sorry. I didn't notice you standing there. I was carried away by the excitement of seeing her after a long time. Hey! Hold it there. Are you out of your mind? Are you stupid? Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Huh?
Baby, he's just the best. Eric, I have warned you to stop embarrassing me. Stay away from me. What is your problem? Stop following me around. What is wrong with you? Eh? I've told you I am not interested. I cannot marry you. What is it?
Baby, I didn't mean to embarrass you. I'm sorry. My friend, you just committed a fatal blunder. But I closed my eyes to it because I'm in a good mood today. I'm not always this lenient. Stay away from my girl. Stay away from her. Go inside! You see?
Like I have always told you, you are royalty. And you are the chosen one among your peers.
Daddy, all that I know. But I also have my reasons why I wouldn't flaunt myself in Enugu.
Oh, and what are these reasons, if I may ask?
Okay, Daddy, this whole idea of guards, mates, Daddy, I don't want it. It's too loud. Daddy, I just want to keep a low profile. I want to be alone.
Look.
Okay, Daddy, don't forget I was alone when I did my NYSC. Remember?
No, this is different. Look, you are going there to work, or have you forgotten that? Now, how on earth are you going to be able to cope with the day-to-day stress? Yes, day in, day out. Now you tell me.
Okay, Daddy. Okay, Daddy. The idea of mates, I accept. But guards, Daddy, I don't want. I don't want. Daddy, please see reasons with me now. Daddy, please no.
Hey, help me with the car keys.
Where's the car keys?
On the dining table.
Okay.
Yeah. That's actually where I was taking you to.
Baby, so sweet. I love you so much, baby.
All I do is ping, 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 no matter what. Got BB in my hand, I can never chat enough. And every time I step up in the field.
Hello, good morning, sir. I'll be leaving for Enugu this morning.
What's this?
This is Princess Ononuju Bakasa.
Oh, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your
Highness. When did you arrive?
A couple of days back.
And your mother never told me you were back.
It was kind of impromptu. Sorry about that.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, my princess. You look so big now. What's the secret?
Nothing.
Wow. Anyway, it's a pleasure to see you all once again.
It's nice to see you too.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Yes.
What's happening here? Like everyone is outside.
Actually, I'm going back to my place of work.
Where?
Enugu.
Oh, that's okay. Okay. I guess I'll have to make out some time to come back.
But I think you might do it. And let us see more of you.
Oh, definitely. Definitely. Thank you, Your Majesty. All right.
Let me hide to your mother.
Okay, Your Highness. Thank you very much. Dad, Princess Uju is a beauty to behold. You know, when I got there, I was awed. I swept up my feet. God!
But beauty shouldn't be the motivating factor here.
You know, yeah.
Marriage should be driven on the wheels of companionship and alignment of vision.
Dad, I know all that. Listen, Uju and I have been childhood friends. And I know we are compatible in more ways than one.
Very true. Very true.
So I want us to speed up things, you know. I'm very ready now to forfeit everything and make sure this marriage is contracted within the shortest possible time. That is not funny. Look, listen, I won't focus that.
Smart idea. Smart idea, man. You see, you may rest assured that I'm with you every step of the way. But we shouldn't rush this. We shouldn't rush it.
Okay. Yeah, we shouldn't rush.
Yeah, come on, shit.
It's taking time to say it's
I know. Of my boy.
Iyajimo. Iyajimo. Wetin you dey drink? Kilemu.
Kilo ko mo se. Ojú ẹ̀fọ́, you are blind. You can't see, eh? What do you think I'm doing? Kilo ko mo se. Mo mu tea. I'm drinking tea.
Mu tea. You're drinking tea. Okay.
Kò ní dá fún bàbá ẹ. Kò ní dá fún yẹ.
Kò dá fún already. Yeah, my mother is not well for you already. Foolish woman, useless woman. Drinking my friend. You my friend is my child's tea. Can you buy anything in this house apart from Shekwe? Foolish woman.
Hey, I know Eshemi. I'm just sympathizing with you. If not, who sent you? Who sent you? Useless woman. Thief. Give me my child's tea. Useless woman. Yeah, you say. I will beat you. I will. Don't bear. Hey, Mama. Oh, I'll give you some story. Useless woman. Useless woman. Feel it.
You're not tired of calling all the time. Mama, it's okay.
It's okay, wait.
It's okay.
It's okay, Kini. Talk to her.
I'll talk to her. It's enough.
She's insulting me. Because of tea.
It's enough.
Madu. Stupid and bastard, Tialara. Nonsense.
Complete.
Yeah, it's complete. Will you even have time to check it?
See, hold you. Ẹjọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ọmọ ọ̀rá mi láti yẹ ìjẹ òṣì.
Ẹ̀fílẹ̀. Ó sì kọ́ tẹ̀lé ṣe ìyá òṣì ẹ̀fílẹ̀. No, lẹ́yìn ẹni mo tí ì ní. Don't vex me, useless woman. Useless woman. Drug.
Ọmọ òṣì, ẹ̀jẹ̀ òṣì, bad blood from a bad father. Olóṣì ọmọ, kò ní dá fún bàbá, kò ní dá fún bàbá.
It cannot be better for you. You will not drink still. Mama, you will not drink still. Mama, you will.
Don't. Only thief. Yes.
Eric, leave me alone. Eric, stay away from me. Stay away from me, do you hear me? I cannot marry and I will not marry you. Leave me alone. What is wrong with you? Leave my life alone.
If I'm sorry, okay? Calm down. I'm truly sorry.
Stella, tell him to leave this place now. Tell him to leave this place or else I'll pour hot on him.
I will.
What is wrong with you?
It's okay, Ify.
Nonsense.
She's still upset. Just give her a little time. I believe she will come round.
Stella, I messed up. I really messed up.
No doubt you did. I myself, I was embarrassed.
I'm sorry. Stella, I want you to tell me the truth. What kind of relationship are they into? I mean, if you're that guy, are they getting married soon? Is there something I should know?
How would I know? But all I have to tell you is that they are into each other.
See, I have a strong conviction that Ify is my wife.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. I don't care. I don't want to know how far she has gone with that guy. If it's money, I'll repay him in whatever way. I am serious.
Eric, Let me tell you, Sonny Vincent is the CEO of Vance Pharmaceutical, and I bet you know what that means. You've allowed your emotion to get the best of you. Eric, go home and relax. I believe all will be well. Go home.
Well, I like the neighborhood. It's too cool. Yeah.
Enugu is a beautiful city.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
I know. This is not my first time.
Oh, I almost forgot. You did your youth service here.
Yeah.
I was on the go throughout that period. You know, I haven't been handed over my dad's company, the stress and everything, but I'm okay now.
Hello. Hi, Stefan. Okay, I'll call you back, darling. I'll call you back. That's my younger brother.
Oh, how is he?
Yeah, he's fine. A big boy he is.
He's still in America, I guess.
Yeah, of course. University of Texas.
Oh, that's good. Okay, I should be on my way now. I'll see you in the office tomorrow.
Fine.
Just take good care of yourself, okay?
Thank you for coming around. No problem. Okay.
So you're welcome.
You can say that again.
Good morning, sir. Oh, good morning, Mr. Esiri. Mr. Esiri meets Princess Ononuju Obaka. My princess meets Mr. Esiri. He's the general manager of Vance Pharmaceutical Nigeria Limited.
Okay. Good morning, sir. Nice meeting you.
You're welcome, ma'am. So, Mr. Esiri, I want you to call for an emergency staff meeting. She is the new operation manager, so we could introduce her officially.
Right away, sir. You're welcome, ma'am.
You're welcome.
See, he's very good at this job.
Really?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, that's good to hear.
So, you're welcome. So, what do I have for you?
One thing I don't like is your father's approach to life. He likes procrastination. Princess Ononuju is not a stranger to you. Neither are you.
That is the point, Mom. That's exactly the point. That doesn't seem to understand that delay could be dangerous. For all we know, Princess Ononuju could have another man in her life, and it's only wise that I make the first move.
You're right. Not to worry. I know how to make your father move. He will certainly go with you.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
That's my mom talking. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, yeah.
That woman had 8 children, but they all died within a space of 10 years. Jesus, that's heartbreaking. She's not just heartbroken, my dear, but also psychologically destabilized. And what's amusing you? Nothing, my princess.
My princess, don't mind her. It was because of that big grammar you spoke.
Naughty girl. Very good. Driver.
My princess.
Park over there once you get there.
Where?
Yeah, over that tree.
Alright.
Good morning, Mama. Morning, my dear. Oh, my pikin. Mom. Thank you, Mama. How do you know, sir? Ma. I see Muka Mutegi. You really are in the country, guy. Hey, Chuku. Muka Putifencha. Oburu, Mama. Oh, she can. Salum, Chuku does it. We can look at when they go say, I am a little here, where's the good? You say, why we ready? Who not so way? Amen. Now we will start.
I think it's an electrical fault.
Electrical fault?
Yes, my princess.
Has this happened before?
Yes, my princess. It has happened just once. Alright?
So what do we do?
Okay, you know what? Let me rush down the road and let me know whether I will see an electrician. Okay, to come and fix the car.
Let's stand along this road.
My princess, I will be right back. Just give me some minutes, okay? I'll come back with you.
Igwe, would you want just call down?
She said her car broke down along the express road.
Gosh. Is she alright?
Yes, she's alright.
So, where exactly are they?
The Rock petrol station along Port Harcourt Express Road.
Okay. Yes, I think I know that. Okay. Should we send them another car? Immediately.
She said Ike has taken the car to the mechanic.
and somebody else is coming to pick her.
Thank God. Thank God. All right. Give her our regards and tell her that if she needs another car, she should let us know immediately.
Okay.
Okay? Please call her. But she is all right.
She's all right. She's fine.
Okay. Okay.
Welcome, my princess. Hope you're okay.
Yeah, I'm fine, sir.
Cabman, how much is your money?
3,000 naira.
3,000.
Thank you, sir.
Anytime.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, God bless you.
God bless you too, madam.
You know him?
Yeah, of course. We passed out from NYSC together.
NYSC. He's a graduate?
Of course. What? Speak for yourself.
Yes, sir, she's right. I'm a graduate of history, Enugu State University.
Wow, that's amazing. So why you?
Well, you know, when the desirable is not available.
Oh yeah, the available becomes desirable. I understand. We'll look into your matter, okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Have this. Get biscuit for your daughter.
Thank you, my princess.
All right.
Thank you, sir. All right. Thank you.
I like his courage. So what did he go to do at Akigbe?
Social work. The ministry where I served used to send us to rural areas to visit the aged. So I'm doing it on my own now.
Wow, that's good. I think you need to rest now.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Yes, you need to rest.
Suit her.
So how many hours?
Like 13.
I'm that way, you know. Son of a liar.
So, where is the drink?
Oh, my God, sorry. This is the point of it.
My son? No, an American.
Well, I think maybe nowadays they have more to cope with.
Yes.
That's why they're likely to forget.
Blackberry,
blueberry, redberry.
Children.
Oh. You're welcome, son.
Thank you.
Igwe.
You shall live long.
Igwe. Your Highness, it is said that which makes the cock defy the rain is important to the cock.
Very true.
My son, Maxwell, says he has something which he wants to share with us.
Well, we are all ears. Go on, my son.
Thank you, Your Highness. Greetings, Your Majesty.
You shall live long.
Greetings, Lolo.
You're welcome.
Your Majesty, I thank you for accepting me as a son.
You're welcome. Always.
Thank you. Princess Ononuju has been a great friend of my family and I, right from our childhood. Based on that and more, I wish to make her mine.
You want to make her yours?
I mean, I have the intention of getting married to her.
Oh, son. That is very good. Thank you. Thank you for taking such a responsible step. Good.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Yes, you're on the right path.
Thank you,
keep it up.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Oh, I hope the princess is aware of your visit.
I'm sorry, but I didn't inform her I was coming.
Oh, that's not so good. It is the princess that you intend to marry. So it is with her that you will have a discussion. And when you have an agreement, then you bring us in.
Hello, Mommy. Good evening, Ma. I'm fine. What? How? He came with his father? Oh my God, Mom. Mom, he never mentioned such a thing to me. Hi. God. Mommy, how could Maxwell do a thing like that? Okay, Mom. My God, what is this? What is this? How could Maxwell go to my house without my consent? Maxwell.
Hello, my princess.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, how are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Oh, sure. Fine.
Thank you. Hope you're not finding anything confusing.
No, perfect.
That's great. So, what about lunch?
Fine, okay.
Okay, I'll be ready in 30 minutes.
You're right.
Alright.
Thank you.
All I do is bing, 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 no matter what. Got BB in my hand and I can never.
Good day, Dad.
It's not your dad, it's me, your mom.
Oh, Mom, you're back. When did your flight get to Enugu?
About an hour ago.
Welcome, Mom. Hope you're beautiful.
It's in your eyes.
Sure. I'll see you after work today. Okay, Mom, bye. My mom, she just came back from her medical checkup in India.
Oh? Hope she's fine.
Sure she is. Hope you're coming with me to visit her. What do you say?
Yeah, fine.
Alright then. So just rush up.
The reason I hate Christian fanatics is because their pastors left so much emphasis on prosperity, thereby making their members very lazy. They don't work. They move about lazily, waiting to have manna fall from heaven again for them today.
Sweetheart, prosperity is also from God.
I agree, because the earth and everything in it belongs to God. But the same God said that we have to work to eat. These ones don't do anything. They're lazy about. And that's why they die wretched.
Honestly, I don't know what you have against the church.
Oh my God.
Sorry, please excuse me.
Excuse me.
So my princess, how are you? Oh, that's very good. Having you around.
Thank you.
See, Sonny, I can see that two of you are getting along very well.
Mom, she's a good company.
A good one, if you ask me. You see, companionship is the first step to marriage.
Mom, I don't get you. I don't get you at all.
Sonny, the worst injustice is one lying to himself. I can see it in your eyes. Why not go out there and get what your heart yearns for? Come on.
What's your name? Carry.
Mama, what happened?
Hey.
What happened?
Maybe all the shioma, your stupid ayo there. You leave the pikin under the fan since morning. Me, I just come back now. Me, I see say pikin cold don't enter anybody.
Let's take her to the hospital.
It's good like that. I dey come.
Right. And you'll get some clothes for her.
Okay, Mama, I dey come.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, huh?
Well, come and sit down. Huh? Sit down. You've been walking up and down. Sit down.
Well, how do you expect me to sit down? Huh?
You take it easy, you know? Don't joke. What about the new? Huh? Bele? You're not moving on the water. The stupid mother will come down. Sit down.
What are you doing here?
Good day, my princess. My daughter is sick. Her stupid mother exposed her to cold.
I'm sorry. But nothing will happen to your daughter, okay? Nothing.
I pray so.
Well, my company supplies drugs to this hospital. So we were sent here to see the doctor. Yeah. But nothing will happen to your daughter. I promise you. Just keep me updated, okay?
Okay. I will.
Sure, thank you.
Shebi will sit down now. Your friend say nothing will happen to her. Sit down. Joko. Bad mother of bad living. Please, you people should reflect yourselves. This is hospital.
What both of you displayed here today was an act of irresponsibility. In as much as both of you are not yet married, you should respect each other. If you continue in this manner, what values are you going to impact on that little girl?
I'm sorry, Doctor. I'm not in any way proud of my actions. I let my emotions get the better part of me. I'm sorry.
It's alright. Your daughter is responding to treatment. I promise you will go home with her today.
Thank you.
Alright.
Honestly, I don't see anything wrong in that. I mean, the feeling is mutual, isn't it?
Maxwell, no matter how you look at this, that visit you paid to my father was very wrong. Yes. I mean, you took things for granted. Well, just admit it.
Wait. My princess. Wait. Are you trying to tell me that you have someone else in your life?
Maxwell, why are you being so difficult? Why? Why can't you just view things from the right perspective? Why?
My princess, let's not be evasive here, please. Is there someone else in your life? I'm asking a question!
Maxwell, no!
Sorry for the interruption. My princess, I want you to go through this file and tell me your findings.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Oh, sorry, sir. Meet Max. He's from our village. Maxwell, meet my boss from our village too.
So let me let you guys be.
Yes, sir.
Mom, I have a feeling Sonny Vincent is taking undue advantage of the princess.
How do you mean?
I sensed it. The moment he saw me in that office, his countenance changed and he became restless.
He can be restless for all I care. All that I know is that Princess Ononucho has been and will eventually become your legally wedded wife. And how working in their company is not an issue. After all, your father owns companies too.
Mom, I think I have to go to Enugu. I need to keep an eye on the princess. I need to reclaim what belongs to me. Closeness breeds affection.
Alright. Do whatever your mind tells you. But don't allow anybody to intimidate you.
Never.
Nobody can intimidate me. I'd rather be the one to intimidate them.
That's my boy.
I wasn't given the name Boogeyman in vain.
Babes? Why is your face like this? What are you up to?
Sonny, he's not picking up my calls.
Sonny, he's not picking up your call and that's why you're getting yourself worked up, right? I thought he said he was gonna come today.
Yes, so he said so, but I haven't seen him. I tried his other line, but it's been busy all along.
Babes, calm down. It is well. Maybe he's making some business calls and once he's done, he will call you. Yeah, moreover, Jude and I are going clubbing this night. Are you coming with us?
I'm not coming.
Why? Please go get dressed, let's go clubbing.
Go on.
Oh, you're not going? Take care of yourself. Let me go take my handbag and move.
Of course, man is an emotional being, no doubt. But if not constantly put on check, could destroy man.
That's an extreme statement. Please explain.
You know, emotion is an internal conflict with reason.
Yes.
The law of emotion advocates pity, cowardice, and what people call leniency, while the law of reason promotes justice, vengeance, and wise decision based on empirical facts and evidences on ground.
It's like your other phone is ringing.
Never mind, it's not an important person. So as I was saying, not crying or brooding whenever we are faced with unpleasant situations help us to move forward.
You're right.
Yeah.
Inzel!
Now who be that? Oh, madam, now you? Madam, what?
How you doing?
Are they fine? Hey, madam, Oga be no day. You don't come out.
This early?
You never too Tesha.
Did he travel?
I'm not sure. He carry a normal office.
Oh, office bag?
Yes, madam.
Okay, that means he went to the office.
Yes.
Don't worry, I'll see you later, okay?
Okay, madam.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, madam, bye-bye.
there any problem?
No, not at all. I just felt like driving you to the office and bringing you back after work. A humble offer, or rather, a humble request from the hearts of a humble boss.
I'm so delighted. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Why not go on with your exercise, okay? I'll wait patiently until you're done, take your bath, then I take you to the office.
Okay, sir.
Jane.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to see anyone.
Okay, sir.
Sonny treated me. Sonny treated me like I was nothing. He treated me like trash.
Man, why are you people so wicked?
Sonny, my parents are Sonny. What did I do to him?
It's
Princess has done very well for herself, considering all she had achieved at a very young age. I think she is ripe for marriage. Yes, and the king will readily give her out to you. I will pay him a visit the moment I come back from my trip to Abuja next week.
I'll be most grateful, guys.
Yeah, you know, he's my friend. We know how we relate. And just concentrate on your job. The princess is all yours. Thank you very much. Not to worry. Any other thing, the problem?
No, not really. The most important thing is for me to get you home and at least there's still much together. It's a long time.
Yes, and we get home together and eat.
So why is everything?
Oh, very fine. Just your marriage that is giving me concern.
Oh, no.
You may rest assured that everything will be fine.
Work pressure is reducing, so in no time I'll start visiting you guys again.
Alright.
Meanwhile, I'll tell Ify not to bother calling me, okay? I'll call her whenever I'm free.
It's alright. So bye.
Come on, have this way, okay?
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you very much.
I'm not convinced. I know, Sonny. I think there's something wrong. What am I going to do? I'm not convinced.
Sweetheart, let's be positive.
Okay, why has he refused me to call him?
Take your call. Who's that?
Eric.
Babes, let's just give him some time. Yeah.
It's not easy. You don't understand.
I know, but let's just give him some time, right?
Stella, my chest.
Your chest?
Like I told that if you get a son, my daughter is an adult and has come of age. She reserves the right to marry whoever she wants.
Oh, yes.
That's right.
What I only say is the young men is that they should win her love. That is all that is required.
Thank you, Your Highness. I know my son, Sonny, is on it.
Good. Well, that's it then. Now we just sit and wait to hear from the princess.
Well, refreshment is in order.
It's in order indeed. Always. You know. I mean, we got married the same day.
Oh, yes.
okay. Just... It's okay. Please, sir, we will leave now, please.
Nurse,
please.
Do I really have to go?
Just leave, please. It's okay. Just leave. Please. Take it easy. He's the one that brought you here. Hmm?
I don't want to say it.
Okay.
He's the one that brought you here.
Hello? Let him in. I'm here to tell you that if you know what is good for you, you better go on and do whatever you've done to Ife. You hear me?
Excuse me, who are you?
Oh! Now I know. You're that fool that has been following Ife about.
You can call me whatever you want to call me, I don't care.
But I tell you this. This town will be too small for you and I. Should anything happen to that girl. Now leave my office. Get out, go. The door. Don't say anything. Non-entity. I don't know who even allowed him into my office. Ahmed.
Mommy, the truth is that Sonny has been so nice to me. And I appreciate so much. Max, on his own path, is no stranger to the family. As you all know. Mommy, they are two very important people in my life. But in terms of love, I don't know.
Ujumwa, does that mean you don't even know what you want?
I've not thought along that line, Mommy. Falling in love is an involuntary action of the mind.
Well, that's true. But I want you to be focused. And keep your mind open. Okay?
Okay, Mom. I love you.
I love you too, baby. Just be careful, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, just keep coming down the streets.
The Okada has been moving round and around the whole neighborhood now. Okay, please help me send somebody outside to wait for me.
I'm coming outside. Okay.
Okay, I'm coming now. Okay. Oga, I bet more they go down. She sent somebody to wait for me, yeah?
Girl, where are you coming from? Ariel! You sorry too.
I'm so happy to see you.
Queen! So you, why did you refuse my driver from coming to pick you? Rather, you insisted on using this bike.
We are used to
Okada.
We're not you.
One day it will cut off your both legs. Hey, so how is Mama?
Well, I told you she has fully recovered, so she fired me.
Fired you? Marketing manager.
Start!
See you. That is very nice.
My friend. Oh, sorry, Oga, no vex. Don't forget.
Oh, you.
My change.
Leave changey.
Oh, sorry. My friend, the princess.
You not Jesus. Marketing manager. Hey, you go teach me marketing. How could you leave everything you were supposed to do and come to Enugu just to keep tabs on me? Max, this is insane.
Because you're being manipulated. Sonny is taking advantage of you and you're so blind to it.
Max, I know you care about me. Thank you. But I also want you to remember that I am an adult. I can take care of myself because I have a mind of my own.
Like hell, I know you have a mind of your own, but we're talking about someone who is more experienced and exposed.
Max, don't insult my intelligence.
Far from it, honey. I don't mean to insult you. All I'm saying is, open your eyes, please.
The whole thing is happening so fast. So much so that it could be too much for me to handle.
Yeah, I know. It's really a difficult situation, given that the two people involved represent different things to you. But the truth is that you have the tendency of falling in love with either of the two. When I talk about love here, I mean tolerance, which is the bedrock of every good marriage.
Hiruka, what do you suggest I do?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is not about you any longer. This is about Max and Sonny. Which of them loves you genuinely? Yes.
My dear, why are you looking so glum? Is there anything the problem? Is anything the matter?
I'm worried about our daughter. She's too young to be going through all this.
Well, our daughter will be fine. Look, she's of age. And I believe that we have brought her up well. And she can take care of herself. She'll be all right. Look, I tell you what, I'll call her. Yeah. Find out how she is. I'm sure she's fine.
That will be fine. I'm just worried about her, that's all.
I know. She'll be all right. She'll be all right. She's all right. Tough, like you. And partly like me.
Max!
Wow! My princess. My rising sun.
Well, I've come to take you to the office.
Well, my driver is...
Hey, not to worry about your driver, okay? I've taken care of that.
Max, so why did you choose to sit there? Why didn't you come in?
Oh, that, I think I prefer the fresh air out here. That's why.
You're so mischievous, Max.
Oh, I know that, I've always known that. That's why they call me the boogeyman.
You can say that. What are you trying to do?
Let's say I'm going to be your driver for today. So, shall we?
Oh my God.
Good morning, my princess.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, young man? I'm here to take you to the office.
My princess, good morning. Good morning. Yes, good morning.
You don't need to apologize. The good thing is, you didn't steal his money. The car belongs to him. And since he has decided to take it back, fine. Move on with your life. You're a graduate, remember? Okay?
Princess, it's not easy. It's not, how do I cope with the upkeep of my daughter? And our mother Ayo is making things difficult for me. Where do I even start from? How do I start looking for a job? How?
I know. But don't worry. Everything will be fine. I assure you. Okay? And I would like to talk to your girlfriend. Yeah. Okay, you can have this. Yeah, just manage it.
God will bless you.
Bless you too.
God will bless you. Thank you.
Go ahead.
You mean all this for me? Thank you. Alright, let me go.
Okay.
What business of yours?
It is my business.
It's not your business.
It is my business.
It's not your business.
Okay. No problem. I don't have strength to fight with you today. I don't want to fight. Meanwhile, here's that money say you gave me now.
Which money?
You dey eye me now. See, my eye no dey fail your own. So, where you go collect the money? Oh yeah, where you go inside? Go give me the money. Yeah, now. Let's go. Okay, they go out. Okay, no problem. They go out. I follow you now. How you want? Where you want to go? Yeah, now let's go and collect the money. Yes, sir. Okay. Go.
Oh, you don't understand what I'm saying. Are you serious?
Oh, these Indians are diverse. See, the amazing part is their ability to worship so many gods at the same time. I think they call it polytheism, which means a man can actually acquire up to 100 gods for himself alone.
This is incredible. But they also have Christians there.
Of course they do. But you know, it's their culture. Hey, it's their culture.
Hey, Your Highness. I'm fine, and you? I'm good.
Hello.
Don't you know her? This is Chief Vincent's wife now. My daughter works in their pharmaceutical company. Anyway, I was just passing by. I just wanted to stop and say hello. Okay, then we'll see you later. All right, then. Take care. All right. Bye-bye. Bye.
She's my Lolo.
I hope everything is moving on well. See, you have to be strong. Because what I saw today at the palace is not funny at all. Those people that call themselves Vincent's family, they think they can compete with us. But not to worry, son. I'm solidly behind you. Just call me if there's any problem. Okay? Alright. Take good care of yourself, eh? And bye.
His mother died while giving birth to him. His father had to marry another woman who would go to any length just to get rid of him. He had to go live with his grandmother in the village until the old woman died. He later gained admission into the university, but during his second year, he went to a secondary school's send-off party where he met the Ayo girl. One thing led to the other, she got pregnant for him.
Ayo was a student in the secondary school?
Yes, she was. And the stepmother seized that opportunity to completely separate him from his father.
How?
Well, his father threw him out of the house with the reason that he brought shame and disgrace to him being a knight in the church, in that he was going to corrupt his children for him.
Oh, that's his stepmother's children.
Yes. Because of his determination to finish his first degree, he had to take up the taxi driving job.
That was brave.
So the Ayo girl, well, she lost hope in life.
Uh-oh.
What a pity.
Wow.
But why would she behave like that?
Igwe, I don't know. Maybe she sees Vincent's wife as a rival.
Vincent's wife as a rival? Rival over what?
It beats my imagination. I don't know.
You know, only God Almighty understands how you women are made. Honestly, it's true. I don't understand what this is about.
Honestly, I truly don't.
You were childish. Chief Vincent is not is not our enemy. Neither is his wife, nor any of his children.
You're being unnecessarily fusy. I gave my rival, our rival, what she deserves. And instead of you to give me thumbs up, you're there talking balderdash.
I should give you thumbs up. I should give you thumbs up for taking your idiocy to the palace. I should give you thumbs up. Right? Okay, thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Coward.
You're still here. When'd you go to work today?
I've lost the zero. Thought of the whole thing is really sapping my energy.
Come on, you have to be strong. You don't have to freak out. This is the defining moment. You have to draw a line between your job and your emotions. There are two parallel lines that will never meet. Come on, dust yourself up. Okay? As for me, I'm getting ready for work.
Worry?
For my interview.
Oh, pardon me.
You're fighting. Please come on. Please, you're fighting.
Okay. Oh, let's see what you have to say. Let me see. What I can. Are you see your rubbish?
He's not going to touch us. He's not going to touch us. What is this? What is this madness? Will you stop? What sort of nonsense is this? What are you trying to create in my house? What is this nonsense? Oh my God. What is this? Hey, please. What is this? Huh? Why are you both fighting like kids? Are you not ashamed of yourselves? Hey, I don't want to hear from you. I don't want to hear from you. In fact, I need to be alone. I need to be alone. What?
Now you see what I mean?
Hey, please. I don't want to hear. Please, hold it. Hold it.
I told you not to in this house.
Sorry? Matt! Matt!
Are you mad? Are you mad? Not entering this house.
Let's go!
Not entering this house.
My dear, I understand what you're passing through emotional. What makes a real woman is the ability to endure pressure. I see this as a test to your womanhood. If you allow it to defeat you, that means you're not ready. But if you get hold of yourself, I tell you, you will make the right choice. Don't say anything. Just go back to Edochie and resume work. Remember, quitters never win.
Chief Ngene.
Your Highness.
Chief Vincent.
Your Highness.
I summoned both of you because I want you to caution your families. I mean, why should they consider themselves enemies over something that could be easily resolved?
Your Highness, the situation is under control. We have handled it appropriately.
Your Highness, just as Chief Ngene has said, the situation is under control. Trust us. They are women and children. Please.
Well, that is why I called you. Both of you are my closest friends. That we must do everything in our power to make sure that our families do not come between us over something that could be easily resolved. Whatever happens, we must make sure that we are together.
Yes, sir. We're sorry.
We're sorry.
We're sorry.
Do not repeat.
That's it. I think refreshment is called for. Who's that? Bring us some drinks.
Son, a life without competition is not worth living at all. And that's why I tell you to put away rancor and approach every competition with the spirit of fair play.
Dad, Maxwell has just taught the tiger by its tail, and that's no going back.
Shut up and listen. Listen very good. Every action against that young man must be called off. Yes, including the one with the police and others. Okay?
Dad, he threatened me. Maxwell threatened me.
I am through with you. You may leave.
Son.
Yes, Dad.
Firstly, I must blame you for moving into a hotel in Enugu just to monitor the princess.
Dad, Sonny Vincent is an opportunist.
Doesn't matter. Fighting him will not make you earn the love of the princess. Rather, it would only make you lose her.
Wait. Are you saying I've lost the princess?
No. No, son. Set her free. Love sets free. If she's yours, she will come back. But if she's not, she won't. Son?
Yes, Dad.
Remember, love is not the basis for marriage. But marriage is the basis for love.
Chai, I pity her. They're really tormenting her. She doesn't deserve this. She has a very good heart.
My dear, if you ask me, I'll say she has a golden heart. But she doesn't want to offend any of the men. If it were me, I would just close my eyes and marry any of the men. Just let's be serious.
Yes, my princess, you sent for me.
Okay, do you know this city very well? Okay, let me make it simple. Do you know somewhere one could go for sightseeing? Like a beach? Or an amusement park? Anywhere?
No, I don't know.
Hello. Good morning, my princess.
Good morning. Are you free?
Yes, my princess.
Okay. Could you come to my house?
Right now?
Yes, now.
Okay. I will be there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, don't worry. He will drive me. Just give me the keys. Thank you. Thank you.
This guy won't collect my job. Which guy nonsense me with this? What's that they take job? See, well. Okay, don't suffer. Okay, don't suffer.
Was on my mind, put the soul at ease. There is no.
So, where are we going?
Do you have the answer? I told you I don't want to get home until it's midnight. The house is so boring and my friend is not at home.
Okay, we head for the zoo then.
Fine. princess, your phone. Hello.
Good day, my princess.
Good day, sir.
Sorry for disturbing you.
No, don't worry.
Do you mind going for dinner with me tonight?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not free.
Okay then. I'll see you later, okay?
Alright.
Sorry, sir. The princess said she's having her quiet time.
Okay, yeah, I'll see her some other time.
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you.
See, make I tell you now, my job here, now make I drive the princess. I don't know why another person would do the job for me. Which kind of wala will be that?
You just like to suffer yourself. You receive salary and other bonuses that the princess gives to you. I don't just know why you're complaining. I beg, please go and sleep, Jerry.
What you people are saying is not my problem. What I don't understand is whether the princess does not know what she wants. I mean, she left Sonny and Max for a taxi driver.
I don't know. What thing they wrong inside? Drivers will be human beings. I be the reason like that. See this girl.
Which kind of human being?
Come out.
Clothes no get size.
See you. Now you make una like me. Una too like me. Make I tell you the truth. Okay, una think I go die inside this job. That's why una know that they do shakara for me. I no go die. This is my God. A tanda go give for me. I go make her. God no say, Baba God, he no say I go make her.
You don't do. Are you quarreling? You're not now.
See this one. You see as una dey. She no dey catch una.
Like how?
Una dey like tolo make I una dey selfish if you don't know. Hungry people.
Okay, that guy is really funny.
Daddy, I can handle this, Daddy. I'm fine, I promise.
My daughter, all I am saying is that you should come home if it's going to affect your job.
Daddy, it won't affect my job. I can handle it.
All right, okay. So you have to be very, very careful and promise me that if you have any problem at all, you will come home.
All right, Daddy.
All right. I'll let you off this time.
Thank you, Daddy.
Huh? Be good, eh? We love you very much.
I love you too, Daddy.
Ciao.
Bye.
Jesus, don't butter my bread. Aye. Jesus, don't butter my bread. Aye. Wanna remember the one I was a poverty? Right now I am a chef
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
So, in summary, how did it go? What happened?
It is good. I walked into the interview room so scared. Then we started discussing. By the end of the day, my name was second on the list of successful people.
Hey! Oh my God! I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
God.
You are now a shell
You can say that again. This is the evidence.
Oh my God.
Congrats.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, baby, come give me a hug. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much.
I'm so happy for you.
So,
well, I am off to work.
Oh, okay.
So we shall celebrate once I get back.
Of course.
Okay,
bye. Bye. I'm a shower. I'm a shower. Bye. Bye.
It's not possible. I'm very sure it's not true. Because I know it's not true. It's not possible.
I don't want you and this girl, what you call princess, have been queen or waiting. See, look, I don't send you. No, don't touch me. No, just touch me for here. Because if you touch me, I could just display. And I could just disgrace off now. Which I think? Where's the friend? Where's it?
Oh, please, leave her. Don't touch her.
Let's move. Wait there. Me, I just don't do it. What? Then my husband. Don't find your own husband for outside. See, now tell you I show. Papa. Okay, I'll send you a copy. I mean, leave my husband. Don't find your own for outside. Go. Don't find your only. Papa. I mean, I show next time. Now, actually, I could just use disgrace your face. So yeah.
Sorry.
I know what Owa means to you, but I must tell you the truth. That girl, Ayo, has got nothing to lose. So you mustn't dare her.
Ayo, listen. Don't you ever, you hear me? Don't ever refer to me as your husband again. I never proposed to you. Can you get that? You are only the mother of my child, and that's all.
So, you don't come be my husband now.
Are you stupid? Don't try it again.
Not today. Not today, yeah, we can get set up backs. Today I'm going to call. No, I'll tell you. Because I'm calling your husband, you're not even happy.
I invited you here because I am no longer at ease with what is happening. I want to know your position on this. If you don't want either of the two men, you have to let me know now so that I can tell them that they should stay away from you.
Sweetheart, it's not like we're trying to box you into taking a quick decision.
Of course not.
We're just concerned about your happiness, and you're fast losing it.
Mommy, I'm losing my peace, as you rightly say. I don't know what to say anymore.
It's all right. It's all right, my dear. I can see your heart is broken. You are still in a dilemma. Don't worry. I'll help you. We'll help you.
It's all right. Wipe these tears, okay?
What kind of help is that?
He said any one of them capable of bringing back happiness into my life, he would
give me out in marriage too.
Oh, that's unheard of. Are you going to act it or what?
Yeah. And that's any of them who makes me smile and stand to my feet in public.
I don't know what to say. Really, I don't.
I've been thinking.
Thinking about what?
Our daughter. And I have come to the conclusion that she should come home for at least 2 weeks on leave, so that she can get some tender loving care.
It's not a bad idea. Honestly, I think she should come back home and rest. I don't want anything to happen to my daughter.
Right. Now leave it with me. I will talk to her.
Okay. Sweetheart,
Yeah.
I don't understand this idea of putting a smile on the princess' face and making her stand to her feet.
That's it, my dear. That is obsolete. If you ask me, I will say, let Sonny forget about the crave for the princess and concentrate on building the company and his future.
That's why I can quit that. There's no future without a family, be it extended or immediate. Dad, Princess Uchu is the pillar on which I want to build my family. And I cannot turn back, Dad. I can't lose her for anyone.
All right then. I'll give you all the support. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, Dad.
So, were you able to come up with something?
Yeah, Mom, you know, she likes Michael Jackson's dance steps. So I'm trying to rehearse something for her. She and I used to do it in those days.
Really? See, there's been a lot of changes in both your life and that of Princess. The princess that I know will be moved by something indigenous.
Indigenous, like what?
Like folktale, folklore, anything along that line.
No. You know I don't like anything folk, local, crap. No, not me. I'm into hip-hop. Like pop, hip hop, R&B, jazz. Yeah, those are the kind of stuff I think will impress her.
Not for you. It's for the princess. I bet she will like it.
Oh, fuck. Now all my efforts are in vain. Okay, fine. Local stuff, right? Okay. Come on, woman.
Mr. Esiri, I am sharing this with you because you've been consistently reliable. More so you're from my town.
Since you said you're not good at singing and dancing, maybe we should try jokes or stand-up comedy, as they call it.
Jokes?
Yes.
Comedy. Are you sure that we do the magic?
Of course, sir.
Okay, see. I want you to go out there, look for talented comedians, with fresh jokes that are capable of making a man facing firing squad to laugh. Please.
I'll try my best, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I will.
Thank you.
The joke not like this, eh? For one church where I attend for Buriningwali, you know where Buriningwali is, or Kaduna. Now this old woman handing them anywhere. Yes. See as the joke take happen. Everybody they give special number, they give testimony, and this woman herself come provoke, say she won't sing, say she won't present special number. She worry, so the pastor say okay, may they give her like 1 minute, may she sing. This woman seriously come up for stage. Come hear the special number. The special number goes this way. Pass it us. Pass it us. Imani nunu neme. Ogaya la ni. Pass it us. Imani nunu neme. Ogaya la ni. Have you not like this joke? This one where your face dey like this. Have you make I sing? I get a lot of them.
Mr. Bond, it's okay. It's okay. Just wait for us outside. You hear from us.
Outside.
Just wait outside.
My name, they never.
I said no, don't worry. I'll write your name later. Huh? Just wait outside. Please step in.
Praise the Lord. Sorry, I just said I did for church. You know, I don't. They used to church. You see, sometimes I wonder within they make people. Person will come and say poverty, do this, poverty. Gone. Those days when I was small, you see me now. I don't fat. I grab as you see me so. That are lean. Imagine say my father go there for compound, they allow will never. You see for this compound, I don't they warn you, say I run, they come back from school. That say carry me. If I flog you, I said that let me say sorry. No, say let me carry. Serious. He said no one for this compound, I go tell you. Imagine say fine. Imagine say church is these days, you go church don't become so to then they charge phone. Everybody want charge phone. You go run come to consider for front seat, just make it fit charge phone. Pastor go there for water, they preach. Now you see the Bible says they check it for only for church. 4 sockets.
It's okay. You like this already?
This is better. I love your jokes, okay? And I want you to teach me more of these jokes. And also I want you to teach me the mannerism with which I will present these jokes. I love your jokes.
No problem. You see the joke, Boko. Imagine say person.
Not now, okay?
Hey, Boko.
Mr. Man, it's okay. You can wait outside, huh? You can wait outside.
I feel very right.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Honest.
I don't come, Nami be nice.
Give us what you have.
Me? Give waiting.
Give us some jokes.
Now me be joke. You don't see me joke me.
What is this?
Every joke wey you see now,
It's okay. We're okay. You can now go outside.
Anga.
I said we are through with you joking.
Anga,
it's about to go outside. I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. So the other guy, did you get his contact?
The second person, yeah. I think is James K.
James. Okay, so you booked the appointment with him?
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Thank you very much. I see you.
Oh, you're welcome, sir. You're welcome.
Let's hope this works.
Yeah, it will.
You're welcome.
What we are here to do today has not been heard nor seen in the entire history of our Dabu community. We are here today to know, between the two men seeking the hand of the princess in marriage, who can actually make her to smile when she's depressed or sad. The rule is simple. The man must make the princess to smile, or possibly stand, or even clap for appreciation. The context starts right now with Mr. Sonny Vincent Odelibe.
Greetings, Your Highness. I want you to pardon me to use a normal pidgin English. There are
there was this family actually that had a problem. You see, then get this problem. The woman born Pekin. As she born Pekin, the man they drag the Pekin, the woman they drag the Pekin. They don't drag this Pekin no reach one time. Now the woman vex, the woman go report to police. From police they carry a reach court. As they reach court, now the judge come that day. When they come reach, they come they ask. The judge now asks the woman, Madam, are you sure you're the owner of this child? The woman said, Judge, let me get this Pekin. Let me carry this Pekin 9 months for belly. I know what I suffer, the pain, even the labor, the kind of thing I suffer. Let me know what I suffer. The judge now said, okay, it's okay. He now faced the husband. Anga, Mr. Man, are you the owner of this child? The man now replied, Judge, let me get this Pekin. Let me bought this Pekin. Yes, now my Pekin. But Judge, I no go talk now whether na me get them or not me get them till you answer me this question. The judge now said, all right, you can go ahead. The man now started. Anga, Judge, I want to ask you this question. Anga, Judge, if you carry ATM card, put inside ATM machine, the money where the ATM go bring out, now who gets the money? Now the man where put the card or now the machine gets the money. The judge then looked at him. He said, Judge, arrest my case. So that's my son. The second one, I would like to use the princess. I was traveling with the princess to Abuja. So we boarded a plane. They checked us in and everything. But we went in and waited for like 30 minutes. About 30 minutes we did not hear any notice, nothing. They didn't answer us, nobody spoke to us, nothing. We were just there. No refreshments, nothing. We were just seated, doing nothing. After a while, they now told us to fasten our seatbelts and the flight took off. About 30 minutes, we now got an announcement. Oka Marare, wait for this plane. Marem na Okon. I be cleaner for airport. I come clean, go enter this inside this airplane. I dey clean, I go press something, as I press something, plane, boom, fry. As the plane they fry for up, and I say, follow. Now, they don't inform me, say, time don't reach where this plane go round. Okay, one very big problem now. The problem is saying, how we go carry round? We are all shocked. Thank you very much.
Now is the time for the second contestant to come and do his own contest. And the next person is Mr. Maxwell Ngene. Please clap for him.
Lion himself. Go and do your thing.
Show them what you're made of. That's my boy.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I am here to do a little folk tale. I didn't come here to bore you with some dry jokes. No, I came to do something on the folk side. So I want to do a folk tale and a folk song along with it. But before then, I'd like to give a little story to illustrate what I'm about to display. A certain king in the animal kingdom decided
that whomsoever was able to get the elephant to his palace was going to be rewarded handsomely. And all other animals were afraid because of the size of the elephant. Nobody knew how to get him to the palace. But the tortoise devised a means. He walked up to the elephant and told the elephant to escort him to his in-laws, that they were having a festival. And when they got there, they were going to eat and drink to their fill. The elephant, being greedy, decided to follow the tortoise, not knowing what they were going for. I'd like you to clap and respond, go, 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 as I sing along. Nameza batameni, nameza batameni, wambe isini batonye, wambe isini batonye, asimani ya dubenyi tebenyi, odikasi na batameni, asimani ya dubenyi tebenyi. Odikasi na akpata menyi Okwenyi ga-abụ isi oche Okwenyi ga-abụ isi oche Enyi na-aga na nso gị n'azụ Enyi na-aga na nso gị n'azụ. That was how the tortoise lured the elephant to the palace, and he was handsomely rewarded. Thank you very much.
Instead of messaging,
As you can see, none of them was able to make the princess to smile. So I think maybe we would have to reschedule for another day.
Oh! Hey!
The princess to smile and stand. Please clap for him, clap for him, clap for him.
Oh, young man, come. Who are you? Where are you from? And what is your name?
Igwe. My name is Wabunkonya Onovo. I'm from Amechidodo in Kano East, Enugu State.
My dear, I'm sorry. It is most unfortunate. The contest is between Sonny Vincent Odilibe and Maxwell Ngene. Any other person is not allowed.
Daddy, please. You need to hear me out. Please. This is all about me.
Yes, it may be all about you, but the decision is not entirely yours.
Okay, Daddy. Let me explain. Please.
Ibe, please. Please. Let's hear her out. Give her the chance, please.
Very well. Let us see how her explanation will make me change my decision. Go ahead.
What kind of rubbish was that? You just imagine. I wonder where he got up that kind of competition. I won't take it.
It's okay.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Just imagine the kind of student I got them. I won't take it. No, I won't take it. I must fight back.
maybe I should go home.
You did your best, son. I know it is not easy, but you have to move on. There are a lot of other things in life to win. Okay? Come on.
Sonny, I want you to accept what happened as it is. I believe it was not the will of God for you to marry the princess. I want you to zero your mind and move on with your life. See, the right one will come. Your own wife will come. And when she comes, you will not struggle for it. In fact, the whole idea of going into this competition to win the princess' interest was never accepted by me. So it has happened. So let it just go. Zero your mind and let it go. Okay, my son. The right one will come and you will not struggle for it. Oh?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Stella, good day.
Good day.
How are you and how is Ife?
Ife is fine.
Are you in your hostel?
Yes.
Okay, I'm on my way. I'm coming right away. Alright?
Okay. Bye.
Long time, Stella.
You abandoned us.
No, not at all. Work pressure, you know. Actually, I was pushing a huge contract with the Ministry of Health.
Wow. I hope it clicked. Because I am getting my own piece of the pie today.
You know, I'm up to the task. So, how's my girl, Ife?
She's fine, but she's no longer here.
Whoa. Oh, she's moved to her own apartment.
No, she has moved in with her husband. You didn't hear about her wedding? It was all over the national dailies and even TV.
Who is her husband?
Eric, I don't think you know him.
The guy we met at the shopping complex the other day.
Exactly. You see, currently they are having their honeymoon in Bahamas.
All I'm saying, Father, I don't want an elaborate wedding. I want it low-key. Please, Father.
I understand, my daughter. But it appears you have forgotten that we are royalty. And we don't belong to ourselves. We belong to the people. We must allow the people to rejoice with us, just as they have mourned with us when we were bereaved.
I understand all you're saying, Father. But remember, you taught me that living your life to suit others is a limitless desire, Father. I pray thee, Father, grant me this. It will make me happy. I beg you.
My daughter, we are in a dilemma.
Here we are. My dear, Igwe said I should give you this so that you can finalize your preparation. You know, wedding is not an easy thing, my dear. Here.
Thank you. Let me see. Oh my God.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, Your Highness. God will bless you people.
You're welcome.
1.5 million?
Yes, baby.
Oh my God. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Excuse me.
Thank you. Oh God, I'm so glad to see you. Oh, Jesus.
All I do is beat, no matter what. Got BB in my hand that I can never trust enough. And every time I step up in the
Hello, good day, sir.
What do you want?
I just want to inform you that my wedding is in 2 weeks' time.
What is my business with your so-called wedding? Huh? What is my business with your wedding? See, I don't want you to call this number again. Don't try it. Don't dare call this number again. Okay?
What's wrong with him?
I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I
Hello?
Hello, Max, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. Max, I want to ask you for a favor.
Go ahead.
Please, I want to inform you that my wedding is in 2 weeks' time. And I would really want you to be there.
I'm sorry,
can make it and be able to travel back to the UK next week.
Please, Max, please. You're more than a friend to me. Please, I'll need you to be there, okay?
Your presence will make a lot of difference to me. Please.
Okay, I'll try and see if I can shift my ticket.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
I see.
You must be out of your mind. How can you attend the wedding of a girl who rejected you?
Mom, though she chose another man over me, I still love and wish her well, and I believe attending that wedding would make me get over her easily.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I still love and wish her well. What difference does it make?
Mom, you don't love me.
Maxwell!
Yes, Dad.
You're still here wasting time with your mother, whose mind is all what? You're not even dressed! It's like you meet me in the church.
No, Dad, we're going together. Wait.
Weaklings. Like father, like son.
Lady, where's your husband? Go close to her. Lady, where's your husband?
An idea just got into my head now.
What is it?
Okay. Since your father has come up with this competition thing, you can do something extra for yourself.
And something like what?
Good. We'll get your friend Owabukone involved. Maybe they want to make you smile.
Iruka, that's not possible. I don't think so, because Owabukone has a woman in his life. Besides, the contest is meant for Sonny and Max only.
Owabukone coming into this thing will help us know who loves you most between the two.
Yes. How?
Okay. The one who loves you with for a reason will walk away, take a walk, sharp. While the one who loves you the most will stay and also be your friend.
Hey! That's a good idea. You're my friend! For once you just said something meaningful.
Trust me now.
You're a genius. You're so good. I'm so glad you're my friend.
What's that face?
Iruka, what about my father? I don't think the old man will buy this idea. I don't think so.
Come off it. We don't have to let him in on it until the right time.
Then when is the right time?
When he voices his opposition. Yes.
Iruka, this is risky. This is risky. Okay. Owabunkoye's girlfriend. That girl is too wild. She is too wild. I don't want to get into her ways at all. I swear to God Almighty. Oh, please.
She has to be a part of the arrangement. Yes. Promise her future with Owa is guaranteed. And they will pay her what she wants. Trust me. Oh, look.
Priceless jewel. Hey, yeah. Her beauty, her face is like morning sun. Hey, yeah. Her mind is pure, her heart is gold. Hey, yeah. Her mind is pure, her heart is gold. Hey, yeah. Just like the morning rose, a shining light, my beauty queen. She's the apple of my eyes. She's the one I'm waiting for. Anywhere that she goes. priceless jewel. Hey, yeah. Her beauty, her face is like morning sun. Hey, yeah. Her mind is pure, her heart is gold. Hey, yeah. Her mind is pure, her heart is gold. Hey, yeah. Just like the morning rose, a shining light, my beauty queen. She's the apple of my eyes. She's the one I'm waiting for. Her mind is pure, her heart is gold. Hey, yeah. Her mind is pure, her heart is gold. Hey, yeah. She is my darling, my priceless jewel. Hey, yeah. Her beauty, her face is like morning sun. Hey, yeah. Her mind is pure, her heart is gold. Hey, yeah. Her mind is pure, her heart is gold. Hey, yeah. She is my darling, my priceless jewel. Hey, yeah. Her beauty, her face is like morning sun. Hey, yeah. Her mind is pure, her heart is gold. Hey, yeah. Her mind is pure, her heart is gold. Hey, yeah. Just like the morning rose, a shining light, my beauty queen. She's the apple of my eyes. She's the one I'm waiting for. Anywhere that she goes, there I will go. She is my darling, my priceless jewel. Hey, yeah. Her beauty, her face is like morning sun.